Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger, I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time, nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah, to be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby, tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah, come over here, so I know you love my accent.
Good morning, Island Tribe.
Good morning.
How are we all doing?
Yes.
Over our side, well, a little bit tired, but it's only because, you know, I haven't slept away from home in a while, and so I just feel a little bit sleepy today.
Yeah.
But the good thing is it's our checkout time, almost.
And today is our anniversary.
And today is our anniversary. I was going to mention that. But yeah, so guys, Island is being unruly this morning, as you can hear him, getting into everything.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, we just wanted to quickly show you around the room.
Yeah.
And, yeah, so, babe, you want to do the honors?
Yeah, so I'm not good at identifying an apartment, you know. But so this is the bathroom area, guys. Pretty decent, you know.
Just a one-bedroom apartment.
Yeah. And I got the fridge and even a stove, and you can wash your clothes. Everything is there. Yeah, so we've done that already. Yeah, got a microwave, water heater, everything you can. There's a stove there as well, so yeah, it's decent.
The bed was a bit small for us.
Yeah, it was a bit. Yeah.
But it's all good.
Yeah, I have a little office chair there. Yeah. Closet. Vacuum.
Umbrella.
Yeah. Even cards. I didn't even see that.
Oh, wow. Well, we got home late last night.
Yeah. Oh, and there is a train passing right now.
We've got a little balcony.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, guys, so it's pretty nice. Can hang your clothes there. Some heart on the wall. Beautiful apartment building, guys. Yeah. So we're a bit high up. Don't want this camera to drop. Yeah, level.
Now we're gonna go show you the pool.
Yeah, level 5. So we're going to the pool now. We're just check out. So we're just gonna look at the pool and that's it. So we're searching for the pool, guys. We don't know where it's at. It says level 3. Oh, seems like straight ahead. Go, go, go. Look at those legs move. But there's even a gym. Wow. Island boy. Pool.
Wow,
Pool.
look at the views.
Swimming pool. It's bright. Nice pool on deck. Yeah, but we're leaving now anyway.
Yeah, going to the beach. Oh, it's Paul's ice cream. Ice cream factory.
No, this class stripped me on while I thought literally nothing else was here more than these rails.
Oh my gosh. Yeah guys, so just here across from us is a ice cream factory, and yeah, I think people can actually go there and buy like big bulks of ice cream and stuff. Yeah, because I remember in Sydney you could do that. You go to the factories and buy big bulks. It's usually for people with big families. Allow that. Oh, lovely. This is beautiful. Look at the buildings, guys. Absolutely. We can have a barbecue here as well. Yeah, this is good. The gym, guys, as well. You can have the gym if you like. We're trying to look for an African food store.
Yeah.
So, because sometimes they sell like, you know, plantain and yam and stuff, but we can't really find one at the moment. So it's really hard to...
And there's an African shop over there, but it's closed.
Yeah, unless they've moved. I'm not sure.
We don't know. But as we've been moving around, guys, we see lots of Africans, like a whole heap of African out here. And right beside us, guys, there's an African salon here, guys. Yeah, they do all the black hair and all that, the braids, everything. Yeah. That's the name of it, guys. Joranda Salon here in Beauty. Seemed like an accident happened here, guys. Wow. Front like here, it's smash. Ambulance on spot.
Oh, treating a little kid.
Really? So we're in a supermarket right now. Checking out some mackerel and hopefully find some dasheen and thing. And yeah, we saw some 777 mackerel. Take two of them.
Yeah.
They even have corned beef. They have jackfruit in tin, guys. Yeah. We have some dasheen here, guys. Yeah, man. A banana and pumpkin, all of that.
Green bananas we can get anyway.
Yeah, true.
Really.
Yeah. So guys, we also find some coconut. Try it. Guys can hear that shake. They have some frozen breadfruit as well. I don't know about these guys. They're all sliced up. Yeah.
They have jackfruit, farm jackfruit.
Yeah. That's it, guys.
People probably use that in food. Yeah, guys.
So we just come out of the supermarket there.
Yeah.
And then we see the sign right down here. It's just down here that says curry goat and special, which babe says goat curry, which they say.
That's what it says on the, on the menu.
They call it goat curry here, guys. In Jamaica, would say curry goat. So, yeah. So this is it, guys.
So we're gonna try it.
Yeah, special. That's it. Goat curry and duck curry meal. Okay.
And Arlen keeps farting.
All right, fish curry meal. Okay, everything about curry today. All right, let's see, guys. We're gonna try. Okay, so that's the goat curry, guys. Yeah, chicken curry. Well, I call it curry goat, but I know. I have curry duck. Even prawn. Yeah, everything curry. And there has some chicken as well.
Alright guys, so now we have just received our meals. Goat curry and chicken curry.
Test it.
We're gonna test it. Let's go, guys. Let's do this. Yummy, yummy.
Spoon out there, guys. How does this look like, guys?
I think that's soup. Does that look like soup? Try the soup.
Oh, it's soup.
I think so.
Tastes nice.
Alright. Goat
Like
curry. Yep.
So this is the curry, guys. Goat. Tastes good.
Apartments and I think the university.
Alright guys, so now we're in the
Gold Coast?
In the Gold Coast.
Yeah, guys.
So this is like 2 hours away from Brisbane, you say?
Yeah. No, 1 hour and some minutes away from Brisbane, sorry. And but about 2 hours from New South Wales border.
Use the right 2 lanes to turn onto High Street.
Yeah, so we're also closer to home now, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is another city.
Yep.
So this state that we're in is called Queensland, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And Brisbane is a city. And the Gold Coast is another city.
Yep.
That car, guys,
they're part of probably a
gang or something. It's hotel everywhere.
They're apartments and hotels.
Oh, apartments.
Yeah.
Okay. Beautiful city, man. Oh, guys, look at this car. Sick. Beautiful city, guys.
Oh, even the catamaran down
Yo, look at the yachts. Look at all these buildings. I'm always fascinated with the buildings, guys. The skyscrapers. Yeah, nice one. Oh, coconut trees, but they don't have any coconut.
Yeah,
Coconut.
take them maybe.
Yeah. Wow. That's all the yachts, babe.
Yeah.
Loaded with yachts.
Yeah.
So the beach is just right across
Yeah,
there.
we should actually go.
And have a look.
Yeah, I'll take you there in a minute.
Yeah.
Why is the sky looking like that? It looks a bit hazy.
Yeah. I think it's the salt water, probably. Get these the bites. Yeah.
Yes, Island. Yes, Bachachu. Yes, Bagashi.
What are you talking about? Running over?
Yeah, just these stairs
Yeah.
behind them.
Beach coming up, guys. Well, you can see a glimpse of it, really. Oh yeah, I can see it. Oh, some big waves. Oh, the surfers them out.
Yeah.
Surfers them out. As you guys can see, you can't even find a parking here. It's everyone's already taking most of the spaces, really.
For real. It's busy here.
Yeah.
It's famous. This part of Australia is very famous.
Yeah.
Yeah, for tourists and things. because
Yeah.
People love to come out here. There's a tropical vibe. you
True,
know?
true. This would be like the Caribbean for them.
Yes. Yes. Very true.
What is this?
It's a boat bus.
Oh, boat bus.
In the car
Sick.
there.
What?
Yeah.
Okay. The ballers them
yeah,
out.
I'm not sure what that is, but looks like a nice car same way.
Yeah. Some massive wave, babe. These are the surfers wave. Gnarly, gnarly. Yeah, the surfers there just looking ready to catch a big one.
That's gonna be our thing. For every place we go, we need to go touch the water.
True,
and have
true.
A swim.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a parking right there. Boom!
Mhm. Nice. And it goes on and on. It's loaded with. We find a parking, guys. So this is the beach, guys. Long, long beach. As far as eyes can see. Going down that way. Wow. And then come across down that way. It's the same thing, guys, as far as the eyes can see. It's a bit hazy, but you see what I'm talking. And there we have little Bobo and Mommy. Yeah, so we are gonna have a little quick dip, guys, and then get out. The water is not the best looking either, and it's very wavy, like some real surfers wave out there. Yeah, so just a little quick dip, guys. Wow, that's cold.
Yeah.
I feel the sun.
That's cold.
Yeah. Momo, you feel that? Guys, the water is really cold.
That's cold, man. That water is...
Yeah, it's very...
Oh, and dirty.
Yeah, hold this.
And very dirty too. Nah, let's move on to the next beach.
Yeah.
A nicer beach.
This is not it.
This is not it, guys. Looks very dangerous out there as well.
Yeah.
Very dangerous out there. But either way, guys, it actually is very pretty down this beach.
Yes.
But unfortunately today, it's just not one of those days. So, yeah, we're just gonna move on to the next beach, and hopefully it'll look a lot better than this today. And there's Daddy and Island. Well, just dip him in and dip him out. That's it. Done. Dip, big dip. Dip in, dip out.
He's so pissed, guys. Look
I
at
know.
him.
Look at him. He just wants to run in.
Exactly. Alright. I'm not going all the way out there though. So dangerous.
It's dirty as anything. We don't like this water, guys. Let him chase that wave. Come on, Island, chase the wave. Yay! He loves it. Jesus! Babe, you can so see a marina mark.
Yeah.
Let's go, Island. Island loves the water now, guys. He doesn't want to get out. But we gotta go. Look at this one. As soon as we're up close, it's gonna come. Oh, it's got one leg.
Really?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
one leg. Beautiful day, but the ocean looks very rough. Here we go, beach boy. Go shower, wash, wash, wash. Wash your hair, Bubba. Hey. Come on. Hey.
He gets so pissed when he don't get to do his own thing.
We're watching you, Papa. Where are you going now? And the nappy's off.
Oh guys, so we just come out of the water and things, so we're just looking. This place is massive, guys, and yeah, beautiful at the same time. Yeah, I love it here.
Ferrari.
Oh, mad Ferrari. This place is packed, yo.
that's a Marriott hotel for all the ones that like luxury. I'm assuming it's a 5-star hotel.
Yeah, pretty fancy.
The tram.
Oh yeah.
The tram that runs on the road. I don't know if they have them anywhere in the States or Canada. I'm not too sure.
Yeah, but I know they're in England. And I believe they have them there. I believe they have them in America. I've seen from vlogs, if I'm correct. Well, well, the Americans and the Canadians will tell us.
Yeah.
Well, look at that building, guys.
There's so much to see.
Yo, this place is just amazing, man.
That building is wicked.
Yeah, that one. Sick.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Island family.
Yeah guys, so we're finally back home.
Back home.
Yeah man, so I know the vlog ended kind of sudden right there, but yeah, we didn't do anything after what you saw there, so yeah, we head straight home, and because we're really tired. Yeah, so yeah, what you have to say overall, like the highlight of the trip?
I think that I'll definitely go back to that island we went to.
Stradbroke Island.
Yeah, because it was nice and tropical and coconuts and all that sort of stuff, because I definitely want to get some coconuts.
Yeah,
I did Google actually the legalities of taking coconuts off land and didn't show me anything, so I'm guessing they're free.
True.
Yeah, for the people that know how to get coconuts off a tree.
It's nice.
Yeah.
It's nice.
So yeah, definitely planning to go back, guys, and show you a little bit more of what that island has to offer.
Definitely, and see more of what, Queensland, or would you say Brisbane?
We didn't really get much time over in the Gold Coast, so maybe yes.
True.
Yeah, probably Gold Coast, Queensland, and yeah, we'll definitely be back. I mean, we only went for one day, so yeah.
Yeah guys, so I hope you enjoy watching this video.
Thank you guys if you've made it this far to the closing of our vlog, and we obviously didn't get the chance to do it, but thank you so much for sticking around.
Yeah man, and we'll catch you again, you know?
Yep.
More exciting videos coming. So
more
stick
exciting
around.
videos. Big up guys.
Bless up. So bye. Wave.
Bye.
Wave.